For every web app I work on, a database client is always present for exploring data and building complex queries. Recently, I have moved on from my PG admin to org mode for this purpose because why not? Org mode allows executing code snippets and can show results in a tabular format. I like to keep an SQL playground.org file in my project, which usually have only SQL source blocks. I can build my SQL statements in an editor I am very comfortable with, get syntax highlighting and other features, and I can execute them immediately to see results as I would in a database client. It is also possible to configure LSP support using SQLs, which enable auto-completion of table and column names to a certain degree. You can read about how I set this up and an example open source project where I am using this linked in the video description.